Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new today, I'm just chilling on the beach. It's going to be a nice little beach day today. And we're just sitting with our breakfast, which you guys saw before. I can't wait to dig into this. We just realized that they didn't actually give us knives and forks, so Michael's just ran back to go and get us those. And today I thought I would bring you guys along for a little like what I eat in the day. Just a nice little chill vlog. I'm going to be spending it by the beach. Just something nice and cruisy, you know? Say hi!
Hello!
Get started! Sunshine! Sup, dog?
Don't know what I wanted, but I thought I might find out. Chasing the spirits.
Hello, little guy.
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. You let me spinning around in my mind. I got no signal, you never replied, and I can't get no sleep. I keep telling myself a ghost story. You got me lying awake in my bed, you still haunt me, and I can't break free. What you do to me? Got me panicking, and I can't get no sleep. Wish I didn't feel it. You left with my heart on your sleeve. I'm bleeding out in the streets. I didn't expect it, but that's just the price that you pay. Going all in, but halfway. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. You left me dancing alone in my mind. I got no signal, you never replied. Now I can't get no sleep. I keep telling myself you go.
Yeah, the girls. Look at that. That's yours.
That looks pretty good.
You still haunt me, and I can't break free. What you do to me? Got me panicking, and I can't get no sleep. Caught up in your ghost story. Caught up in your ghost story. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Caught up in your ghost story. Every signal you never replied. Caught up in your ghost story. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
Tastes pretty good. Alrighty, it's time for dinner. So we're gonna be making some roast. Is it called roast? Well, I don't know what it's called. We're gonna be making some oven baked salmon. We're gonna be doing some roast sweet potato and pumpkin and sauteing some greens. Gonna have a nice, healthy, fresh dinner. Oh, and we got some oysters. Oh, it's all bagged up, so you can't see it yet, but we're gonna be having some oysters as an entree. We're gonna set the oven to 220 degrees, fan force. That was like half a butternut pumpkin. I'm gonna go one whole like medium sweet potato. Let's get a tray though because I'm out of room on the breadboard. Salt and chili. Make sure everything's got a little bit of everything on it. We're gonna leave that in there for 25 minutes. And we're gonna eat the oysters because I'm starving. Have our oysters. Put a little bit, that's a lot of lemon. Cheers. You gotta do that.
I tried not to came out. Did you see me go? Can I practice the noise?
3, 2, 1. Hello friends, so we just actually, like my phone just ran out of storage. My camera has like 1 bar of battery. I'm starting to think this recipe was not meant to be filmed, but we're gonna make it happen. So I cut up some lemons. You just wanna make sure you have some nice slices to just sit on top, which you'll see in a second. And then you just cut the rest of them up into little wedges. And then you come over here and we've just grabbed like 2 little foil sachets and put the salmon on top. And now I'm gonna pour a whole load of lemon on top because we all love some lemon. And then you just get some nice fresh dill and just put strips over the top. So that's probably about how much I would do for one. Alrighty, that is enough of the dill. You just grab the corners and you just pull it in and like suction it tight, and then you just kind of go along the whole way like that, and then close it off here. You're just trying to make it that like the air's not gonna separate out of it and it's gonna steam inside the actual thing. Then I always like to do a little layer of alcohol on the bottom so it doesn't leak through. And then we're gonna drop the oven to 180 degrees and keep these on for 25 minutes. And you just keep the sweet potato in at the same time.
Peace.
Give her a little toss. Alrighty, so we have 10 minutes left on the timer. So we're just gonna saute up some greens. So I've just got some beans there, some asparagus, and some zucchini. And then I'm just going to add in some baby spinach right at the end. And I'm just gonna cook it over a medium heat with olive oil. Oh no!
Oh no! You dropped your cucumber.
Not the meatloaf!
Yeah. Mom, meatloaf.
Alrighty, let's chuck it all on.
No.
You could cut up your own garlic, but I was feeling super lazy, so I just bought this one, which is just crushed up garlic. A teaspoon and a half. And also crack some salt on there. Give her a little toss around. One for you.
Thank you. A sense of threat that I can't forget.
Alrighty, time to go for a skate. Time to skateboard. So actually I haven't shown you guys this yet, but I got a brand new skateboard. How sick is my new skateboard? She's nice. Show us the back.
Oh god. Oh
That's
god.
how much I love my new board.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, this is Mike. Meet Mike. We haven't said hi yet. This
Hey,
is
guys.
my boyfriend.
Fully introduced. Team Ames.
What's up, team?
We're about to go for an epic skate now, so we'll see you guys when we're at the skate park.
Woo!
Yeah, sure.
I'm like so far over this way. We can't even see your face. My little crystal's in the way. Bye. How's your day been so far? Rate the day.
It's been pretty epic. This skate is going to top off our epic afternoon. It'd be cool if we could surf, but that's coming. Stay tuned.
Mike's gonna teach me how to surf.
Stay tuned. It's going to be pretty epic. We've got to get a GoPro first, but
Yeah. How good has my skating been? Like rated out of 10?
out of 10,
To be honest.
a solid 6.
Brutal.
That's pretty honest. 10 out of 10's like Tony Hawk.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. I was meaning like a 10 out of 10 is like you're confident on the board.
Oh, confidence-wise, no, you're very confident. 10 out of 10 for confidence.
I'm confident with everything. Just keep it alive. If you have confidence, people have confidence within you. Fake it till you make it. Alright, let's go.
This is what I need to know. So take my